Tired of tasks slipping through the cracks and feeling like you're juggling a million things at once? Let's tame that chaos and master subtask management in Asana in just 90 seconds. First, let's understand where subtasks live. Open your Asana project. You'll see a list of your main tasks. Click on any task to open its detail pane on the right. Scroll down within the task pane, and there it is, the subtask section. This is your control center for everything related to this task. Smaller components. To add a subtask, simply click at subtask type in the subtask name and hit enter. Easy peasy. Now, to view all your subtasks across your projects, click on My Tasks in the sidebar. Here, you can filter by due date, assignee, or project to get a focused view of your subtasks. You can also sort by priority to tackle the most important ones first. To assign a subtask, go back to the task detail pane. Find the subtask you want to assign. Click on the assignee field and select a team member from the drop-down. Now everyone knows who's responsible for what. Completing a subtask is super satisfying. Simply click the circle next to the subtask's name to mark it as complete. Keep an eye on the main task's progress bar as you complete subtasks. This bar fills up, giving you a visual representation of how close you are to finishing the entire task. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be managing subtasks like a pro, keeping your projects on track and your team happy tasking.